Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week, we're giving you an extra special bonus clip featuring our first holiday project. Now, my goal for this project was to show you how you could create this beautiful red berry holiday wreath with Dollar Tree items for about 20 bucks. I love creating wreaths and giving them as gifts, and so I just wanted to show you how you could create this beautiful gift giving option. So with that being said, let's get started with our Dollar Tree Christmas holiday wreath in 2 easy steps. So we're going to use our holiday red berries as well as our faux lamb's ear eucalyptus leaves to create this wreath. So I want to show you first that I'm simply wrapping my stem. First I'm going to shorten the stem and then I'm going to wrap it in floral tape, and that just makes it much easier to adhere with the hot glue to my wire frame that I also got from the Dollar Tree. We're going to go ahead and trim down our faux lamb's ear eucalyptus so it's ready to glue down very easily also onto our wire rim. All of these items except for the lamb's ear come from the Dollar Tree. So all the links are in the description below, so you don't have to worry about that. But I want you to know that every one of the stems gives you about 3 pieces, 3 separate stems to attach to your wire frame. It's very, very simple. You notice you see the pattern. You're just going to attach it with hot glue on one side. Hold it there for maybe 5 to 10 seconds, and then you can just move on to the next one. You're going to continue with that same pattern on the inside of the frame, so it's nice and full. So a rookie mistake that I see with a lot of DIYers when they're making wreaths is they don't take time to fluff them. That is a big deal, guys. So take the time to spread out your leaves, fluff it up, because it'll be a dynamic difference at the end. So this final step is really up to you. You can attach as many or as few berries as you would like. It's up to you. It's your preference. Go for it. I've put the links for both the red berries as well as the burgundy berries that you see here in the links below. Well, guys, what do you think? It's absolutely beautiful. It makes me ready for the holidays right now. I want you to get a head start on this. Get your supplies. Make it your wish to give someone something personal from Christmas, something personal for the holidays, something that you created just for them. I promise you they will appreciate it leaps and bounds. Well, if you like our projects, by all means subscribe so you can be the first to know when our projects are posted, as well as drop us a question, send us a comment. I answer them personally myself. I do apologize with what's going on in the world. It's taking me a little while longer to get to comments, but we have a fantastic DIY community, and I promise you someone in our community can help you out if you have a question. Don't hesitate to ask. In addition to that, you should check us out on our social media, and that will be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and our fantastic Pinterest page. Head on over there, check out what we have. I think you will love it. And if you haven't already signed up for your Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates account, what are you waiting for? The holidays are coming and those rebates are real. You simply go into the description, click on the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendors, and make your qualified purchases to receive a check at the end of the month for those shopping efforts. Well, guys, our time has come to an end, but before I go, I want to make sure you realize that all of the links to all of the supplies for all of our projects are always in the description below. Just hit that little button that says show more and you will see all the information there for you at your fingertips. You don't have to wonder where we got things. It's right there for you. In addition to that, be sure to head over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, for both the written and picture instructions for a lot of our projects. In addition to that, we have wonderful cost-saving blog posts, just things to help you create the wedding or event or wreath of your dreams. So be sure to head over to our website. That's MissPlanIt.com. You can click right there in the corner. It'll take you right there. And spend some more time with us. Well, guys, as always, it was a pleasure being with you. We so appreciate you taking this time to hang out with us because we know you have many options on YouTube. So we don't take your time lightly. And we want you to remember that when every penny counts, you can count on this planet. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.